A design team project for MindBarretty, and the kit that I've used this month is called Timeless Romance, and I've also added a little bit of Jane's Garden to it as well. So it's a soft cover, and I should say as well, all the links will be below to the kit, and you can check it out. This will also be listed in my shop, and the link to that will be below as well. So it's a soft cover. There is some stitching around the edge. It's cardstock. There is well, you can't see it now because I've covered it over, but there is a patterned cardstock, and then on the inside I've sewn on some white cardstock and then covered that up as well. I've got this nice crocheted trim on the spine. This is one of the images from the kit, as is this on the front. I've just put some flat back pearl here, and there is some bead dangles there and a little bead dangle here. There is some bead dangles on paper clips and some little tiny beads here on some little small safety pins. So let's go inside. There's also crocheted trim on the pages, and I have to make sure I'm in frame. Okay, so this again is one of the papers from the kit, as is this, and I've made some pockets here. There is a mixture of ephemera in here as well, and these are from the Jane's Garden. And this is from the Timeless Romance kit. And then we have some little journaling cards here, and they've just been inked up, and this is just some ephemera, and this is a Terry Woods flip out, and I've put like a 3D butterfly on there. So this comes out, you've seen me doing this before, so you've got lots of places to journal, and that just tucks in there like that. And how did I have that? I think I had it that way and that way. One of the flowers from the kit, which is obviously you can cut out and use for decoupaging, I've done that on the doily. There is a tag and a paper bag. I've done some edge punching with Martha Stewart punch. We have the crocheted trim with the safety pin with the little beads. We have a page from the kit. Love that typewriter. We have a little flip up which is stuck down. I haven't done these flip outs in a while. Let me see if I can get that. Ugh, frightened in case I rip it now. Oh, there we go. I always think it's glued down securely, and then there's always that little tiny bit of glue that seems to seep out. So there we go. We've got the doily, some cheesecloth tickets, and another 3D butterfly. There is some journaling cards, another tag, and another tag with a typewriter on there. Here I've just made some homemade tags and some ephemera. And I think the stuff on the other side has probably just come off now. Yes, there was. So we have an envelope from the kit. There's nothing in the envelope, but you can put things inside there, and that just goes into the paper clip. This I've turned this into a tag, but you could have actually punched them out with a little circle punch, but I made that into a tag, and that's from the kit. And then just some ephemera. We have a dictionary page, some Edith Holden, some squared paper, another lovely page from the kit. Here I've just done some snippets there with the button, and this journaling card here, and it's just been stenciled. And this one, my ink was running out, but it's still come out quite nice, so I used it there for a pocket. Another page from the kit. Here I just done an envelope pocket. Got a tag in there. tag here, journaling card. Here's just some burlap and some ruffle trim and some pearl beads, another decoupage flower, a tag, a paper bag, some edge punching. We have this bead dangle on there, and we have an envelope pocket there with an assortment of tags and ephemera. And it's just some coffee dyed ephemera there. And we have some lace trim here, a ticket and another 3D butterfly. It actually measures 7.5 inches length and 5 inches that way, and it has a total of 96 pages. Some beads in the middle. Here we have another double tuck with some journaling cards, a tag, another tag and some ephemera. And this, sorry, is a flip out again, from Terry Woods. You can do lots of secret journaling. And the paper clip just holds it together, and I like to tuck it in behind the doily. Oops, I think that's run the wrong way. Another 3D butterfly there with some cheesecloth and a ticket. We have another safety pin here with some little beads on there. Another paper bag pocket there. Another little button here with some fabric and some cheesecloth. This was the other side of the paper that printed out a little bit funny, so I just made another pocket with that. Another tag. We have an envelope here. There's nothing in the envelope. I'll put stuff in there and some ephemera. And some more ephemera that just slips on here. So that paper clip's on the wrong way. These paper clips are really strange. They're got a little lift there, so you have to put them on the right way. Another tag. Here we have another envelope pocket with some burlap, ruffle trim and some pearl trim there. A tag, another tag inside there. Little journaling card. Envelope pockets here, just with some paper to write on. And that flips out. And we just have a doily, some cheesecloth, ticket and a butterfly. Inside here we have just a piece of ephemera. That doesn't seem to want to go in. Some more crocheted trim and a bead tangle. And this is stuck there. Oh, I'm not good at this, am I? I'm gluing bits and bobs down. Oh, should have been more careful. Dear, you don't want to... Always on camera, isn't it? There we go. Saved. Pocket here, a tag and a doily. Here is another flip up, the doily and a ticket and a butterfly. And we have two tags here. And that is the end. So that is the journal. Turned out quite chunky as normal. Very nice kit to work with. The links will be below, like I said. And this will be listed in my shop if you're interested. If you have any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye.